The Sterling Coilmaster Jr. TS is a compact, economical, high-speed plastic spiral binding machine. This tabletop plastic coil binder automatically inserts coil into the book from the first hole onward. It then cuts and crimps automatically. Bind books up to 25 millimeters in diameter using any pitch. No tooling is required. The machine allows for the binding of books with oval holes or round holes. Bind books with any pitch. You can set wide margins up to 3/16 of an inch. The TS stands for the touchscreen, which facilitates the ease of setup. Bind books automatically at speeds of up to 600 books per hour. This economical machine will allow any shop to automate their plastic coil binding. The Coilmaster Jr. TS is binding 25 millimeter 3:1 books or 3 holes per inch. It is preferable to punch thick books with this pitch because it allows you to punch bigger holes. Here you can see that the machine will bind books with a 3:1 pitch with a slim margin or a wide margin. The Coilmaster is also the only automatic coil binder that can bind 5:1 books or 5 holes per inch, even with a wide margin. You would think that 4:1 means 4 holes per inch. That's not always the case. Most 4:1 dies are .248 or .2475 pitch, rather than .250 or a true 4:1. This allows for punching a hole pattern meant for 8.5/11 or A4. You can fit 44 holes on these size books without pulling pins. But what if your book isn't exactly 11 inches or A4? You will end up punching half a hole. The best solution is to pull the punching pins at the head and foot of the book and center the sheet to make an attractive margin. Thanks to the spreading device on the Coilmaster Jr. TS, you can pull pins and center your sheet regardless of the length of the book or the pitch. Here we have a true 4:1 pitch, 4 holes per inch with a wide and extra wide margin, much wider than the distance between the holes. The crisscross combs guide the coil into the holes at the proper slant, both entering the holes in the front and exiting the holes in the rear. Unlike crimping coils by hand, the knives on the Coilmaster Jr. TS make a perfect crimp every time. The Coilmaster Jr. can bind books of any length under 12 inches or A4, not just a couple of sizes. Also, this machine can crimp any size coil as long as it is longer than the book, even in this extreme case. This saves you the time of cutting down your coils as other automatic machines require you to do. The Coilmaster Jr. TS is faster and more versatile than any other automatic tabletop coil binder and most floor model coil binding machines.